What's up, Fitted Squad? It's Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, basically gonna be just going over some updates here and there. There's a few things that I definitely want to do, and we'll be doing with the car here pretty soon. So I kind of want to talk about that. A lot of people have been asking me what's coming up and what events is coming up. As far as the events, looking at next Saturday. I think there's a car meet at Speed Zone, Orlando, and we're gonna try to see if we can get out there. Not sure exactly who's hosting it, but I was actually invited to go out. That's on August 22nd, 3 days after my birthday. But yeah, so I'm thinking about going there. I'm gonna see if I can find a post online, and if so, I might even try to, I don't know if I want to do the Nissan times Infinity, or I'll probably do that, as well as the Ultimates, just kind of see if we can get a good turnout there. So if you're interested, definitely let me know below. But we should be having an event posted here pretty soon. Yeah, so not sure the time frame just yet, but a lot of the Speed Zone events have been like midday. I know it's kind of crazy doing that in this heat, but that's usually because they're in business at that time, and good to get a bunch of people in that can go inside the shop and all that. So that's most likely going to be the case. But as far as the car, I keep thinking it's not a lot more I want to do, but then I actually say it, and then I'm like, yeah, there is a lot that I want to do. So I want to get a big brake kit set up. Originally I wasn't going to do that, but one of the homies definitely hooked me up with a set. A homie Leon, he definitely hooked it up for me, and ended up sending me some brakes already. So yeah, I got the front set already. Do plan to get the rears, as well as getting the rotors and the actual pads for it here pretty soon. So that's probably going to be the next thing that I do for the car. There's a couple small things I'm going to do here and there. But like, I do want to get the rear bumper splitters just on the sides and the corners, so I want to get that just to kind of finish off all of the splitters around the car. So that's gonna be coming, and that's pretty cheap. I already priced it off. Seen a set that I'm probably gonna order that was only like $18, $19, so I'm gonna get that. Also, I am about to wrap this. This is the roof spoiler. Finally took it off. The wrap came in for it. I'm not sure when I'm actually going to do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I definitely gotta clean it and sand and everything, so I don't have any imperfections showing through the wrap. So that's coming soon. I still need to peel my roof wrap because the wrap itself is like 3 years old and it's in bad shape, so I got to do that. But I mean, it looks good at a distance, so I'm not really tripping on that just yet. I already got a quote from the homie, and it's pretty good, so I'm definitely gonna go with them. But I don't know, I'm just not in a rush to do that just yet. But also, when it comes to the wheels, I definitely wanted to switch something up. I want to get a new set, honestly, but at this point, since nobody's really biting on these wheels, I'm probably just gonna powder coat the ones I have now. I'm not exactly sure the color just yet. I've been contemplating just going with like a gold color, or going with something just vibrant like a blue or purple or something like that. And with the big brake kit, it's going to help because once I get these on, I'll be able to get them painted, and then I'll have a good little contrast there. I was originally thinking about doing the brakes blue, but then I was like, well, then I really got to pay attention to what I do in terms of the wheel color. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely let me know down below. But yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen with this video. I was going over those steps. I did get a product in for review. I don't know, I feel like it'll be a boring video just to do for that specific product itself. So I'm trying to find a way. I might end up doing that product review as well as the roof spoiler at the same time. That way I don't really have to worry too much about it. I think that'll be a good little, just so it'll be a long enough video to make it worth the while as well. But yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna be the move for that. Plus, I'm going to be shooting my stage 3 for the car here pretty soon. I think it's at a good point now, and then I could do the point like 1 and point 2 and all that a little bit later. Probably when I do the brakes, that'll be point 1, and then do the wheel color point 2, so on and so forth. But yeah, also on the Fitted Squad Instagram, I have been posting homies, people part of the Fitted Squad, people who just send in their photos. Definitely feel free to tag Fitted Squad on Instagram, or just send a DM on pictures and we can get you featured. You don't have to have a Nissan Altima. You don't even have to have a Nissan, really. If you support me, I mean, I'll definitely support you guys, and I'll post you up. But yeah, I definitely like that. Also, I'm pushing the Nissan Times Infinity page as well. So same thing applies to that. But that one I'm a little more strict on, because with that one I'm doing just the high quality photos. So if you don't really have professional or high quality photos, I don't really try to post those. But we'll work something out. But if you're interested, you can definitely get it on the Fitted Squad one. Fitted Squad, I believe, has about 100 or so more followers than the Nissan Times Infinity anyway, but the Nissan Times Infinity does generally get more traction. Like, I get more likes on stuff from that page itself, so it has more engagement. But that's pretty much it. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Definitely let me know what you guys think of me doing a big brake kit. I think I'm gonna go with the slotted rotors, not the drilled and slotted, because I've seen a lot of hairline fractures and stuff from the drills itself. But yeah, definitely let me know your guys' experience with that as well. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a good one. Peace.